Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Azure DevOps CI/CD pipeline, and it is the first session. So first of all, we have to create the Azure DevOps organization, and after that we have to create the project. Then we have to take the code from the GitHub, which would be in the Terraform code. Then we have to deploy using the CI/CD pipeline. Okay, so first of all, we have to create the Azure DevOps organization because we are doing for the first time. So we have to create it first. Then we will get the options to create the project here. Okay, so let me create the Azure DevOps org. So you just need to go to the Azure portal and you have to search for DevOps as I did, and after that you will get this page and you have to enter your details like your name and email ID. Okay, even it got auto populated, and now you just need to check and you have to continue if you wish to create the org. It seems the Azure DevOps org is almost created, and in the Azure DevOps org you can create two type of. No, I'm sorry, it got created only the account, okay, for the Azure in the Azure DevOps. Now we have to create the Azure DevOps org, okay, and after that we can create the project. And let me tell you, in the Azure DevOps org, we can create two type of project. One would be the public, and second one would be the private. So most probably while doing the public project and while creating the pipeline, in the lot of cases I noticed that pipeline is not getting success. Anyway, first of all we have to try to create the project with the public one. Okay, if it does not success, then we can go ahead and to create the private one. Okay. So it is taking some time. We have already entered the details to create the DevOps work. Okay, so it will take some time to create the DevOps work, and after that we can get the options to create the project. Okay, so the org is almost created. So now we are getting the option to create the project here, and you can give any name like the project name uh, as per your naming convention. Whatever is suitable for you, we can select that. And you can see here we are only getting the private project able to create, right? And in order to enable the public project, we have to do some changes here. So let me click here. Here you can see in the organization settings policy, you have to enable this, right? The last one you have to enable that, so that options would be that option is for the currently gray out, so it will give the options to create the public. Okay, so I did allow the public project. So let me just refresh the page and let me try to create the public one. Yeah, now you can see the option is highlighted, so we can we can able to create the public project. Okay, so by default it allows to create the private project only. Okay, in order to enable the public project you have to do some changes. As I show you, I did the changes here. So if you wish to create the public project, you just need to change these configurations from the project settings. I'm sorry, from the organization settings, then you will get the options to create the public project. Okay, so thank you guys. So you're able to create the project. So in the upcoming session, then we will create some the CI/CD pipeline and to see. Okay, and I will show you how to deploy the Terraform code using the CI/CD pipeline. Okay, so thank you guys. So I will connect in the next session. Okay, thank you.